Good morning, second graders. I am going to go over the assessment that you are going to be taking today. It is in the packet that you should have picked up before spring break. And if you haven't picked it up yet, you really need to do so. Now, you are either going to take screenshots of these and send it to me, or print them out and send them to me. Or if you picked up your packet, there's already copies of all of the assessments that you're going to need in that packet. So that's why it was really important to do that. All right, so you're going to find the assessment that says 2NS2. It's at the top right corner. And this whole assessment is about standard, expanded, word, and model form. And even though we haven't talked about it a lot recently, it has always been a choice board choice this entire quarter, and it is a skill that we have talked about since the beginning of school. So I'm going to go over the directions, and then I want you to do your very, very best. And when you are done with this, you are going to take a picture and send it to me on Canvas, and that's how I am going to grade it. All right, so you're not going to return it to school. You are not going to give me your paper copy. You're going to be taking a picture. All right, this is the first page. I was showing you the second page. So right up at the top, you're going to write your name and the date. Today is 3-23-21. And I want you to find number 1. And number 1, I see the number 287. And you are going to write this number, 287, in expanded form. Then you are going to write the number 801 in expanded form. If you can't remember what that is, I would always suggest you looking at other parts of the test, and maybe there will be something on the test or the assessment that will spark your memory. So maybe you don't remember what expanded form is, but if you look around on the paper, you'll say, oh, I see that that's expanded form. Now I remember. It's always good to use those resources. All right. So the next problem is this whole box, and we're going to do it for one number. So the number is 407, and you're going to show or circle the model, word, and expanded form that shows 407. So we're going to start here with 3. There are 3 boxes that have different models or base 10, and you're going to circle the one that shows 407. Then the same thing here. Here's number 4. In this row, you're going to circle the one that shows 407 in word form. 407. And then the last one, 5, you're going to show 407 in expanded form. So you're going to look at all the options, and whichever one says 407, you're going to circle. All right, now for number 6. It says circle all the ways to represent 872 in expanded form. Hint, there is more than one right answer. I want you to circle all the right answers. So there's going to be more than one. They might try to trick you and write it in a different way than you normally see. So make sure that you take time to add and think about all the choices. To remember, you're circling all the ways to show 872. 800 plus 70 plus 2, 80 plus 70 plus 2, 800s plus 6 10s plus 12 ones, 800s plus 7 10s plus 2 ones. So there might be 2 right answers, there might be 3 right answers, there might be 4 right answers. Really take your time. Okay, next page. This is where you are going to draw or write the different forms for a number. So up here where it says 7, it says show 463 3 different ways. So we've talked about 4 ways: standard, expanded, word, and model form. Okay, so you are writing this number, 463, in one of those 4 ways, or 3 of those 4 ways. Choose any 3 that you want. So maybe you do standard and expanded and word. Maybe you do expanded and word and model. It doesn't matter. All right, then the last one, you are going to do that same thing just for a bigger number. So it says create 858 2 different ways using base 10 blocks. All right, so kind of like back on the other page where you circled more than one right answer for 872, you're going to draw 858 just using base 10 blocks in two different ways. Okay, and then you don't need to worry about 9 and 10. All right, so good luck. Remember to send me a picture of it when you are done.